Hi and welcome to the Curtain and Blind Company. In this short video, you'll learn how to correctly measure your windows for recessed fitting blinds. Recessed fit, sometimes known as inside or reveal mount, is where the blind sits inside the window frame. Correct measuring is the key to hassle-free installation, so it's worth getting it right. If you have any questions or concerns with your measurements, don't hesitate to get in touch with us at the Curtain and Blind Company. To measure for recessed fitting blinds, simply measure the width of the inside of your window, as sometimes windows are not perfectly square. Measure across the top, middle and bottom in millimeters and record the smallest measurement. This will ensure the blind will sit comfortably inside the window frame. Next, measure the exact height of the window recess. Again, take 3 measurements, the left, the middle and the right, and record the smallest measurement. And that's it. Head to the Curtain and Blind Company, select your blinds and customize your measurements for an instant price. Then place your order. You'll be enjoying new, beautiful blinds in no time. It really is that easy at the Curtain and Blind Company.